Hi, my name is Laura Bogwazogan, and I will be your instructor for Fall 2020 for Math 110 or Statistics. I just want to take a quick look with you guys at our Canvas course. This is our home page, and I am on a tablet. It looks different if you're on your phone, a tablet, or on a computer, but it should look very similar. This is our welcome page or our home page. From here, you'll have my information along with our class's information. You can click on announcements, and there'll be a list of announcements. The only one on there right now is a welcome to Math 110. The other thing that is on here is modules, and if you select modules, you'll be on our Unit 1 or Chapters 1 through 4. On here we have a list of different items per chapter, so Chapter 1 notes, our lecture videos, Homework 1, and also our Chapter 1 quiz. If you were to select the lecture videos, you're going to be prompted to either play the video right away or to open the external tool. The videos are going to follow right along with the notes that are posted for each chapter. As you go through the notes, it will pause and ask questions that are about the material just to check for your understanding. At the end of the video, it will ask if you've watched the entire video, and you want to make sure that you check yes, so that way you receive credit for that video. Another item that is in your modules is going to be homework assignments. And homework is either going to ask you right away to enter it or to launch your external tool. Homework assignments can be started and stopped infinite amount of times until the due date. For this assignment, I had already started it, so I'm going to go ahead and select resume. If you're just beginning it, we'll ask to start. We have a list of questions here, and each question you will have different options to answer or a numerical value that you're going to be entering in. I want to bring to your attention the fact that we have a hint down below, and the hints are going to connect either to a open source or free textbook. They might have videos that are going to help, or a similar example to kind of help with you understanding this. Again, if you get it incorrect, you can try it again until you get the problem correct. Right below this, we have chapter quizzes. Chapter 1 quiz is not available yet, and so you will not be able to start that until that time and date is available. The next thing I want to look at is our syllabus. There is a PDF version that you can download that looks like something that you would have received in class. On the syllabus, you have information about my office hours, along with the course description, the textbook that's required. We have two different versions that are equivalent, so the 3rd California edition or the 13th edition. Required course material, the main one here is our graphing calculator, which is going to be either a TI 83 or 84 graphing calculator, which is what I will be using in class, or you can use an app, or you can use the Casio graphing calculator. These are all options that are available to you. We have our prerequisites, learning objectives, and course measurable objectives. I'll let you guys read through. The next item on here is homework. So homework will be online, and you are able to reattempt each problem until you get that correct. There's more information about when homework is due, along with the fact that you can get help at the marks or ask me via email or office hours. Next thing on here is notes. So notes are your responsibility to print and complete. If you don't have access to a printer, you may complete the notes on a tablet or use lined paper. Videos need to be watched entirely for credit. Pre-recorded videos are going to be worth 5 points each. We will be skipping some problems in the videos and in the notes, and those are ones that we will be working on together in our mini lectures. Quizzes. We will have individual online quizzes that are set up by chapters. These are going to be weekly, so make sure you guys see when those open and then when they will close. We will have 3 individual computer projects assigned during the semester. Project due dates are indicated on our course schedule. In addition to this, we have 3 exams that are broken up into units like we saw in modules. Unit 1 was chapters 1 through 4. These are going to be given in 2 parts. Part 1 will be during class on Tuesday, and Part 2 will be during class on Thursday. So it's very important that you are available during those class times that we have. And additional information about the exam will be talked about in our lecture meeting on the previous week to the exam. If you have any special test taking needs, make sure to speak to me outside of class about this and early in the semester so I can make those accommodations. We will have a final exam that will be comprehensive, going over all material. We have a breakdown of grades. This is weighted, and if you notice, exams and finals are worth the most. Then we have information about our marks, which is our tutoring center. You do need to register online in order to use this. However, it is a free service for you. Our absence and our drop policy. Because this is an online class, a student may be dropped for excessive absences if they miss more than 4 days of class. An absence is counted as not watching the lecture video or attending the Zoom mini lectures. In addition, you will be dropped if you fail to take any exam without talking to the instructor before the exam start time. If you miss class, it's your responsibility to watch the recorded Zoom lecture. We have Canvas resources. If you're new to Canvas, there's a lot of help online through Mount SAC, along with a support number also to reach out to. Instructor contact. You guys can always contact me. Expect up to 5-hour response time Monday through Wednesday from the hours from 8 till 4, and expect 36 hours response time Thursday through Sunday. Grading assignment feedbacks will be given within a week of the due date. Calculators, again, there's more information here depending on what seems practical for you. Again, that TI 83 or 84 is what I will be using in the class. Student honesty, I'm asking you guys to follow the Mount SAC guidelines that are posted. And just a reminder of what dishonesty is, go ahead and read that. Make sure that you guys remember that you are completing quizzes and exams on your own and without the aid of a computer app, web pages, or program. You are also to complete quizzes and exams by yourself. They're not group assessment. Email etiquette. So make sure that you guys introduce yourself, tell me what course you're in. Also make sure that you tell me which problem it is that you need help with, and also include a snapshot of the problem from My Open Math. The problems are different for every student, and the numbers might be different, so it's difficult to help unless I know what the exact numbers are. Accommodations for disabilities. This is in regards to access, and definitely some information there if you are not yet qualified for access. There's a phone number or an email that you can talk to them. Things can change, so just be aware of that. On the next part, we have our Math 110 fall course schedule. This has us broken down into weeks, along with our lecture videos to watch, when our mini lecture dates are, and our homework, quizzes, and projects and exam due dates. So make sure you check this. You'll notice that exam 1 is going to be on 9/22 and 9/24. We also have grades, and this will tell you all of your grades that you receive on each of these assignments. The last thing on here is discussions, and we do have a couple discussions that are open at the moment. The first discussion that we have is introducing yourself, and there's a prompt here for you to introduce yourself, and then a place to reply. So I went ahead and answered this to have you guys get to know me also, and you can go ahead and read that and then respond on your own. We have study groups. If you want to form a study group, it's difficult to do that when we're working online. So this is kind of to get you guys talking. So if you're interested in working with other students and forming a study group, please list your name and your Mount SAC email address. Then reach out to the students that are interested in forming this study group. So this is just to kind of get you guys started and a place to reach out. And from here, you guys can contact one another to work together. So again, this is for Math 110 Statistics. Welcome to the class, and I look forward to getting to know you guys this semester. And if there's any questions, please email me.